If you want to control your Samsung S26 Ultra with voice commands, you have to open the settings for the first. Now go into the accessibility, open interaction, and now go for the voice access. You have to turn it on, and also we have to enable this voice access shortcut. I can recommend you to do this, for example, with this accessibility button, but you can find two other methods. Now go to the settings, and you have to also bring this activation button. So anytime you want to use it, you can just click here and start talking to your phone. You have to also remember that it is not working the same like some AI assistant, because you got some specific phrases that you have to use. If you say something that is not here on the list, the phone is not gonna make your action. So how it looks, I'm clicking here. When you got this blue bar here, it means that it's activated. So now I'm gonna use like two phrases. Go home, open Facebook, and as you can see now, to turn it off we have to click here. Thank you so much for watching.